Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder, also referred to ADD or ADHD, is a biological, brain-based condition that is characterized by poor attention and distractibility, or hyperactive and impulsive behaviors. It is one of the most common mental disorders that develop in children. Symptoms may continue into adolescence and adulthood. If left untreated, ADHD can lead to poor school, work performance, poor social relationships, and a general feeling of low self-esteem. ADD and ADHD symptoms: be easily distracted, miss details, forget things, and frequently switch from one activity to another. Have difficulty maintaining focus on one task. Become bored with the task after only a few minutes, unless doing something enjoyable. Have difficulty focusing attention on organizing and completing a task or learning something new, or trouble completing or turning in homework assignments, often losing things, pencils, toys, assignments, needed to complete tasks or activities. Not seem to listen when spoken to. Daydream, become easily confused, and move slowly. Have difficulty processing information as quickly and accurately as others. Struggle to follow instructions. Fidget and squirm in their seats. Talk non-stop. Dash around, touching or playing with anything and everything in sight. Have trouble sitting still during dinner, school, and story time. Be constantly in motion. Have difficulty doing quiet tasks or activities. Be very impatient. Blurt out inappropriate comments, show their emotions without restraint, and act without regard for consequences. Have difficulty waiting for things they want or waiting their turns in games. ADD and ADHD treatments. The most effective approach to treatment for children and adolescents with ADHD is a multidisciplinary approach. This approach includes multiple elements that work best together and support each other. The components of a multidisciplinary approach to treating ADHD include education for both parents and child or teen about diagnosis and treatment. ADHD medication. Behavior management therapy. School teacher involvement. School counselor involvement. ADD and ADHD is a common disease, yet every individual needs unique treatment and care. We encourage people with ADD and ADHD and their families to learn as much as possible about the latest medical treatment and approaches, as well as healthy lifestyle choices. For more information about ADD and ADHD and how to treat ADD and ADHD, just click on the link at description or visit www.mainmd.com. Thank you.